Here they come, and
A little bit.
here comes the wife. Hurry up, the train is coming. Got the wife dropped off. Yeah, sometimes it just works out that way, and, you know, picking up your wife from work is far more important than a train. I mean, unless something major was happening, I'd make her walk. Would I? You think I really would? Anyway, we'll ride over here and see if they're already done or what, but...
What was that? Did you get lost? Uh-huh. I ended up in the break room. Yeah, like I said, back up. Couple. One more. That'll do. And 3, joint.
I'm gonna stand off the side, let that truck come around here. I figured I'd give him a little bit of space.
And that'll do. Oh, foot. Do, making air. Just over to head 10. This mark plus your last mark will be your train. Okay. Please just add 600 feet. Four. Sorry. Couple. One. That's you, and that's your mark. Slack spin. Fire. Back up 3. All right. So that'll do. Head 15, spot 'em. Stop it. That'll do.
See you later, Matt.
Okay, he hit fast.
Yeah, when I pulled up, Matt was there, and I acknowledged him. Said, hey, what's up, Matt? He shook his head. So my video, he did his thing. We're all getting along now. Anyway, we're gonna let this train start getting going, and they're gonna sheesh. Is that what happens when you get older? You're talking to stops. Anyway, I'm gonna let this train get going,
Make it here.
and then we'll move down near my house. Catch him coming through there. Anyway, he's got a full load behind him now. All those cars are full of scrap iron, plus all that wood back there. Should be a pretty cool show when he takes off. All right, we'll scoot on down the road. See how far off those logs back there look like they're hanging. See a little rock in action on the end. Oh yeah. Everybody's going through. Who cares about a big train coming down the line? Figure this would be a good spot to sit. If there's going to be any bit of rocking. Probably going to see it on the back of the train from here. Hefty weight behind this train now. Welcome everybody. Thanks for coming along. Had to check, make sure nobody's gonna scoot out in front of them. I wouldn't forgive myself if that happened, and well, I didn't record it. some of those logs look like they're out further than I see them now. Well, I'd say they got this track pretty well, well, there's a good little dip right there. I'd say they got this track pretty well taken care of right here. Not a whole lot of bouncing or rocking anymore, but sure got a whole bunch of wood. Pulp wood, that is. And an orange thread. I think we'll scoot on over to... Oh, we got some wood hanging off the other side. We'll have to go to Iron Mountain and go on the other side and watch it come through. What's hanging on that side? Holy moly. It was a total nightmare trying to get to the spot. Traffic's horrible right now. I figured this would be a pretty cool place to film, and as the train does get closer, I am going to the other side of the train tracks just so we can see what we got hanging off of this train. This car's just shooting across. You can see it flashing. I can see them from here flashing. Van's going the wrong way, down a one way. Just to go out in front of the train again. What an idiot. Alright. Let's move over to the other side of the train tracks. I don't want people to think I'm trespassing, so move over here. And then we're going to go over here on the other side of this box. And looks like they're taking care of the traffic or grass. Like you see a grass line. I mean, I've filmed here before, just not on this side. Oh, the one behind me is going off now. Big, beautiful hotel right here. Amazingly enough, it's been pretty booked. you like those wires right up on the side of the building? Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's get back to what we waited for here. Now that last car we saw had wood hanging when it went by my house at that last crossing. How much do you think is left from what we saw? It doesn't look like a lot of that's left. Looks like they lost a few somewhere between my house and here. Yeah, they definitely lost some off the back of this train. Wonder where it went? Wonder where it went. Anyway, guys, hey, thanks for watching today. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and make a comment below. 100,000 subscribers is coming soon.